Hello everyone, welcome to our Bible trivia with Yoyo. And last week I got a feedback that the book of Jude, I gave two simple questions and I should make it a little bit complex. And welcome again to our Wednesday Bible trivia. We're looking at the book of Exodus, and that's where we're taking our questions for. Our question number 1: who is the man that the Lord filled with the spirit of wisdom? To make it a little bit easy for you, like a tips, if you look at Exodus chapter 31, you will find the answer. I'm only going to share the chapter, but I'm not going to share the verse. So Exodus chapter 31. The question is, I repeat again, who is the man that the Lord filled with the spirit of wisdom? Our question 2, I make it one tough and one easy question. How many chapters are in the book of Exodus? All right. If you don't know number 2, it's okay to open your Bible and look at the book of Exodus to know the number of chapters in the book of Exodus. And number 1, who is the man that the Lord filled with the spirit of wisdom in Exodus chapter 31? Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for sharing my content. I really appreciate you so much. As always, Bible trivia with Yoyo every Wednesday. Stay tuned. Take care and have a wonderful week. God bless you.